Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to create AI images using ChatGPT for free. Okay, so in this video we'll learn this guys. So for this guys, first you need to open the ChatGPT on your smartphone, on your PC, laptop, desktop, anywhere. Just open the ChatGPT website and log in with your account. Okay, and then here in the send message section you need to first copy and paste some message like this. So this message script you can get in my video description box, just same as it is, copy and paste it here. Okay, after pasting just send this command to ChatGPT. Now it will show you this type of message. As you can see guys, now you need to enter the image description. So for example guys, I am giving the image description car accident in highway. Okay, just simply give your description and send it to ChatGPT. It will take few seconds to create the AI image with your image description. Okay, so wait for few seconds. So as you can see guys, the ChatGPT was send me this image. So this is the very easy and very simple method to create the AI images using ChatGPT. Just you need to give the image description very informative, very detailed. After this guys, you can get the AI images like this. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.